you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog, I am again in the car, and you guys liked the previous vlog that I did, and I told you I was gonna get better at doing them. So we are headed out. We're going to the BMW. My car lease is up, and I'm gonna go ahead and return it because I haven't decided on a new car. Don't even ask me what I'm gonna do without a car. I think I need to borrow my mother's car in the meantime because I don't know, I haven't decided. And honestly, to lease the new X5, it's so much more. It's like even double what I was paying. And I need a bigger car, I feel. So to go into the bigger car, which is the X7, you don't even want to know the price. And I refuse to pay so much money for a vehicle. I feel like it's like almost a mortgage payment for these cars. Come with me as I return my lease. This car is super dirty because I didn't have time to clean it up, but I picked up all my stuff. I put it in a shopping bag over here. So let's go. Bye bye BMW, bye bye S5. I'm definitely gonna miss this car. I really love how it drives, but let's see what we get next. Alright, I just got here, you guys. I just parked and my mom is waiting for me. She decided to stay in the car because the baby's sleeping right now. So let's see. I know they're gonna probably try me to get the new one, but unless it's at a decent price, I am just returning the car. I don't know. I mean, it's so tempting to come in here in the showroom. This is where they want you to meet, at the showroom, because they want to get you. But yeah. And bye-bye BMW, right, Kay? Okay, you guys, it is official. I am carless now. We don't have a car. I just returned my lease and I went over my mileage, so I have to pay like $1,200 just for the mileage and $350 for something else. So you already know. I'm gonna get a final statement from the BMW soon. And now I want to stop at the Kia dealer because I saw this TikTok of this new Kia. I never had a Kia before. If you have one, let me know down in the comments. Is it worth it, or I should be looking at the Hyundai? I don't know, but I want to look at these cars because they have 3 roads and they look really nice inside, like with a lot of technology and stuff. Mami, ponte el cinturón. Baby K is back there. So yeah, let's go see what I see at the Kia store. At the Kia dealer. So my first stop was the Kia dealership. I've been watching all these TikTok videos about mom cars, like the best SUVs for moms. And you guys, they recommended the Kia Telluride. Is that the name? I don't even know. Don't ask me this car's name and stuff. But here it is. I honestly liked it. I like the space, but I wasn't completely sold. I don't know what was it, but I wasn't sold. I drove it and everything. I honestly like the Kia electric SUV better than this one. Today is day 2 of car shopping and we're looking at the Lexus TX. A lot of you guys recommended it, so we're gonna take a look at that. And let's see.
Want me to give you content?
I really like the TX. I just almost got it, honestly, but there was a few things. I didn't have the color that I wanted, the color combination, and also after they told me one price and I ran my credit, they came up with another price, so I got kind of mad and just didn't do it. Do you like the car? Do you like the car? Which one do you like, Jay?
Gray.
Jaden likes the gray color. I wanted it a white or black, but they don't have anything for the next 2 months. So I think Jaden is gonna win. Gray color it is. And you, Kate? What does Kaylin want? She just wants to get out of here, guys. 3 of car shopping, I decided to check out the Hyundai Palisade. And you guys, when I tell you, I went to the dealership like twice on that day because I was just like, oh my God, I need to see this car, drive it now, and this is it. guys, it is late night and I look so crazy. I'm so tired, but I did it. I got the Hyundai or Hyundai, I don't even know how to pronounce the name, Palisade. And I'm excited. I am actually looking forward. To me, it's like the ultimate mom car after I test drove so many different cars, even luxury ones. And I liked it even more than the X7. And trust me, I was sold on the X7 at the beginning. I thought when the X7 came out, I thought I was gonna go for that car. But now, I convinced him. What do you think?
Good.
He was impressed. Come on, say the truth. It drives nice and it's very comfortable. And you guys, here it is, my new mom car for the next 3 years because I did a lease again. I loved how everything looks on the outside, looks pretty nice and it's super big. I love the detailing of the lighting. You know, I'm a very detailed person when it comes to cars. But let me tell you, this baby right here is the Palisade calligraphy and it checks all the boxes with everything that I wanted. The interior is pretty and locks, honestly, if you ask me. Look at a little compartment there. Then you have like this little thing here to open the car, and then you can see like a 360 mirror all the way to the back. The rear view mirror, it's a camera. What else can you ask for? Like, you know, just straightforward stuff. Of course, I had to get a cute kit change for this one as well. Here I have a wireless charger, a cup holder kind of like hides and everything, and we have tons of space in this compartment right here. This is how the dashboard looks, and the seats are pretty cool. And I get massage chairs on the driver's side. Hello. And here's the back of the cabin. I got my Capitan chairs that I wanted, and it's just tons of space now that I have 2 kids. I just needed extra space. Let me know if you drive this car because I am obsessed. My favorite thing about this car indeed is you can come in and out of your parking space, meaning if your mom, you know, the struggles with car seats and getting it out, yes, this is perfect. And anyways, here it's the back of the car, and I think it's a pretty decent sized trunk when the dirt road is open, and then you have extra storage right here at the bottom. I also did a quick stop at my mama's house because we got some new mirrors. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw this post already. I partnered with Homery over there on Instagram, and I think they're the perfect mirrors for her space. Honestly, they're geometrical, very affordable, and they just give this luxe vibe, and it's really nice. I cannot wait to finish her space. I'm still working on this area for her, so stay tuned for the final review, I guess. Anyways, that was it for today's video, guys. I will see you all on the next one. God bless.